Guys, I'm in Dubai for Christmas holiday, and I'm going to show you one of the ways I'm going to be trading, throughout this Christmas and be able to still make money from the Forex market. Currently, I'm funded $50,000 with the Forex funder. This is a live account, guys. I passed my phases now. I'm funded 50K. I've so far placed some trades. I had to document all this from the time I placed my first trade, but I didn't. But I'm going to show you the trades that so far I've taken and how I'm going to be trading, to pass all these funded accounts and be able to make money, guys. So I'm going to be showing you the simpler strategies that you can use anywhere in the part of the world. You can tell me in Dubai right now. This is the Dubai Marina. You see, guys, with my beautiful apartment, as you can see. Anyway, guys, make sure to subscribe and let's jump into the video. So guys, this is the account. As you can see, this is a $50,000 account. It's a brand new account. I placed these trades just to keep the account live. So I was looking to make money, but let me show you. Even when I just placed trades for I was able to make money. Because I was looking at a different structure. So as you can see, I've so far made let's see. As you can see, and I'm only trading gold. You can see, guys, and my profits are almost consistent. You see. I'm not risking that much. You can see this first trade there. This is around 40 pips. You can see right there. Same to this one right here. Probably around 20 pips. You see, on gold only. The first one I was selling, and the other one I was buying. And I'm going to be telling you why. And this is the easiest way you can make money from the Forex market. I would have gone aggressive, like so aggressive on this account. But since that wasn't my main goal, I followed the plan that I had in my mind just to keep the account alive. I'm just going to play some trades so that my account can be live, But let me show you now. As you can see, guys, this is the Forex funder, guys. So let's jump into the screen right now so that you guys can see. So traders, this is my gold pair. Whatever I do, guys, gold is one of the best currencies if you want to make money from the Forex market. I love to trade gold. When you see gold, guys, gold is a pair that respects levels. Like if it reaches a certain level, it's always going to respect it. Now you can see the first trade that I took was based off this level right here. That gold refused to break this one right here. And what did I have? I had this pattern right here. You can see we had this pattern right here. This is a rising wedge. So the rising wedge is a reversal pattern to the downside. Now, for those that don't know about Forex patterns are like a cheat code to know even about. Like they're a cheat code. Imagine a pattern that tells you that price is going to reverse. All you just have to do is look for confirmation. So I took my trade when price broke that zone right there. As you can see, this candle closed from below, and I took my trade. You can see this candle right here. It closed from below, and it closed with really much momentum. So I knew price is going to drop another big candle, before reversing and coming back to the upper side. So you can see the same thing happen. Price broke, this other candle dropped so much. You can see this one right here. So I took my trade around this candle right here, and I was able to secure more than 40 pips off this sell trade on the falling wedge. Now I would have gone in again for buys because I knew price would come back up here and retest this level. Since we had 1, 2, 3, 4 big candles, meaning this zone here that made it more of a supply zone. So meaning price would come back to this zone right here, and it did exactly the same thing. You can see price pushed back up into the same zone, But I was like, okay, I'm not going to trade since this is not in my plan. It was not in my plan, so I never want to trade when I'm not planned that day. So that's what I did. Now, so I left this trade there and this. So when last Friday closed, I had this drop to the downside. You can see this one right here. Now I wanted to maximize off it in a way that we have fair value gap. So for those that don't know fair value gap is liquidity. We have trend line liquidity. We have so many types of liquidity, but even fair value gap is liquidity, and always price will come and take out that liquidity before continuing to go to the other side. So what I did, I went in for buys. I took my buys exactly there. I didn't see any confirmation or anything. I knew price would go and take out that liquidity, because anytime when you see fair value gap in the Forex market, price has to come and take it out. Since now price had given us a double top, you can see this is a double top now, guys. Here's a plot twist. We have a double top, you see, which is a reversal pattern to the downside. And the other thing, price breaks the double top, like the neckline, with a big candle, momentum candle, you can see. So meaning we have to see price reversing to go back and fill up the fair value gap, not exactly to retest, probably to come back in the future to retest this neckline, because most of the time price does. But here we had price come back and fill up the fair value gap. Now when I took my trade, the market closed. You can see the market closed, and one of the reasons why I was flying business class, so that I'm able to monitor my trade when I'm on the plane in the business class. But sadly I didn't have internet. I asked the lady, can I have Wi-Fi? And they said they had not yet paid, and I was wondering how. So guys, you can see we had price push up to the upper side, as you can see, fill up the fair value gap, because fair value gap is liquidity, and immediately after filling it up, you can see our price drops. But now when price was filling it up, I closed my trades when we were still at the airport. Then I started recording videos, so I wanted to take this sell trade because you can see we had a nice candle that is giving us a pin bar components, or a bearish pin bar, which means that price is going to drop to the downside. And just look at how price has dropped. Another big candle right there. This is more than 30 pips, guys. At least this looks very simple, but you just have to be focused, man. Like, you can literally eat off every move. We have buyers and sellers in the forex market, but these are things that I've seen for quite a period of time. That's why I can enter this market and be able to make money. So my buy trade was here to fill up the fair value gap, and then my sell trade was here. This was more of having the rising wedge pattern, which indicates that price is going to reverse. So I maximized off this. Apply risk management, guys. Make sure if you're trading on a Forex Funder account, make sure to apply risk management and stop loss. That shows that you're a responsible person, guys. Don't just trade anyhow, placing trades and closing. That's gambling, So traders, now for those that are wondering, how am I going to be trading this month, guys? I'm going to be trading the easiest way, that is using Forex patterns, basic market structure. Like, I'm not going to look for any hard thing. Forex is supposed to be easy, but most of you traders, you like complicating stuff. Why would you complicate things? You see me, if I don't understand any structure, like if I can't interpret it, I'm just going to let it go. There are structures that you can interpret, others will come. In the past, you have seen, look at this, guys. Now this is very easy to interpret. Look at this one in here. We have price ranging in between levels, and then we have a break. You can see a break with big momentum, push back, and then price drops. Like, that is very easy to interpret, So guys, this is how I'm going to be trading. I'm just going to be trading the easy way. Anything that I can't interpret, I won't touch it, guys. So traders, that was the video. Forex Funder, go in for any account, just apply proper risk management. Apply proper risk management. Trade. Don't be afraid of trading. With this $50,000 account, I'm going to be documenting everything, guys, and you're going to be able to see it. How I'm going to be making my profits. Whatever profit or loss I'll be making, I'm going to document it. And also, I'll show you when I get the payout. I'll be getting the payout next year around when that new year is starting. I mean the Jan month. I'll be getting my first payout, and I'll be documenting everything. So make sure to subscribe to this video, guys. I'm going to be leaving the link of the Forex Funder. Get your accounts right now. And also, there's still a discount running, the Christmas discount, guys, a big one, 60% off. So make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and you can see, guys, as I'm enjoying Dubai. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next piece.